ViewTech Borescopes are joystick-controlled video cameras that can go inside hard-to-see places in machinery, tubes, and parts. Companies save time and money on maintenance and quality by using ViewTech Borescopes to identify problems through remote visual inspections. Call us today to ask about our Try Before You Buy demo program. Contamination is the presence of an unwanted substance or impurity in a system. Carbon deposits, sulfidation, or radiation are all examples of contamination that can be found in industrial applications. Serious defects like pitting corrosion can occur if contamination is not handled properly. This could lead to a complete overhaul of a system. Even more serious, in food, chemical, or pharmaceutical processing, this serious maintenance defect could require recalls and brand defamation. As explained, some industries can live with an acceptable amount of contamination in their applications, while others cannot. Maintenance technicians frequently use video borescopes and videoscopes to perform routine checks on their systems, ensuring that this troublesome byproduct of working systems is kept to a minimum. The best way to experience a ViewTech Borescope is with our free on-site demo program. Call to speak with one of our knowledgeable video borescope experts, and we will help find the best borescope for your inspection needs. You will quickly realize why ViewTech Borescopes is the #1 seller of video borescopes in North America